Short video for you guys. We're replacing the brake lights. Hey, James, hit them.
Huh?
Hit the brake lights.
On this?
Yeah, here's the stock ones. Yeah, look at that. Boring, plain, no third eye. So people don't even see it half the time. When my lights are turned on, see, not very big of a difference. All right, now we're gonna change them. Check this. And then they turn to this. So now people will know when I'm coming. Even when the lights are on, I think it's actually supposed to be brighter. Yeah. Yep. Now it's much more visible, especially without the third eye brake light. So there you go, guys. Go. Here's how to install it. Install them. Super easy. Go to blinking brake lights. Buy for your model. Pop your trunk wherever that is. There it is, right there. Go to trunk, lift it open. You guys will have plastics. I don't, because race car. And screw you, James. So yeah, and then you will replace whichever one your brake light is. Which one is that? It's the top ones, right? I think it's the top ones. So spin, bring it out. Oh, yeah, and then you should pull. Yeah, just hit them again real quick. Just double check. Yep, okay. That's definitely it. All right, stop before we mess stuff up. All right. Yep, and then just remove this one and then replace with one of these. Just like that. So just plugs in, right back, and then here we go. Hit him again. There we go, blinking. Heck yeah. And if you liked it, with James going nuts on it, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Till next video. Laters.